Yes, programming transponder keys for 2006-2016 Chevy Impala models is often a viable DIY project, especially for 2006-2013 models. Recent advancements in affordable OBD2 scanners and user-friendly software have made it easier than ever. However, 2014-2016 Impala models may require a PIN code or professional help due to enhanced anti-theft systems. DIY success rates are high, 80 to 90% for older models using tools under $200, but newer variants can be trickier. To program a transponder key for your Chevy Impala, you'll need specific tools. An OBD2 adapter connects to your car's diagnostic port. Compatible software like KWP2000 runs on a computer or device. For some models, especially if keys are lost, you might need a PIN generator. The key concept is syncing the key's RFID chip with the car's immobilizer system. The transponder chip in the key communicates with the vehicle's control modules to allow starting. Follow these steps to program the key. First, disconnect the battery to avoid ECU damage. Insert a working key and turn to on position. Use the OBD2 scanner to access the BCM menu. Follow on-screen prompts to register the new key. The software interface guides you through programming. Tools like KWP2000 display ECU information and provide programming options. AI-assisted apps can help diagnose errors in real time during the process. Test the new key by starting the engine. Be cautious as improper programming can trigger anti-theft modes shown by error codes in diagnostic tools. If you're not tech-savvy, consider professional help, especially for 2014 and later models.